In our experience, many homeowners don't know how to size, in other words, determine the ideal tankless water heater for their needs. And while that can mean poor performance for other brands, this video series helps solve that problem for Stiebel Eltron users. Did you know that with a Stiebel Eltron electric tankless water heater, you can reduce water or energy consumption and still receive the hot water you need? This can be done by reducing the flow rates of the fixtures in your home. Most sinks have an aerator installed that reduces the flow rate of the water, while mixing in air to keep the same feeling of the water stream. Replacing aerators, or even the fixture itself with newer versions that have more temperature and flow rate control, can bring instant benefits to your home, without a complicated or time-consuming process. For example, high-flow shower heads can be replaced with low-flow shower heads of 1.5 GPM or less. This can be done without sacrificing comfort in the shower and will immediately reduce your hot water consumption significantly. And our patented advanced flow control technology will continue to ensure the perfect temperature. Making these changes will also allow you to consider a smaller size tankless water heater. For example, a Temper 29 Trend can be replaced with a Temper 24 Plus, which consumes less electricity without sacrificing your comfort thanks to advanced flow control and industry exclusive. And even if you don't downsize your Stiebel Eltron unit, these changes will save you water plus reduce the amount of electricity required to heat that water all at the same time. A few simple steps towards the reduction of water and energy consumption can prevent wasted resources and save you a lot of money in the long run. And with a Stiebel Eltron tankless electric water heater, you'll be enjoying the utmost in engineering, reliability, and comfort all the while. For more information, our award-winning customer support is ready to assist you. Or get started finding your ideal model on our website today. Stiebel Eltron, simply the best.